What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm leaving the gym at a decent time today, and boy, do I have an awesome video for you guys. So yeah, you're definitely gonna want to stick around for this one. Oh my goodness. Ooh, good Lord. Now that is a ZR1 if I've ever seen a ZR1. Holy smokes. Talk about a dream car. Oh my. It's got the big old wing. That is freaking sick. So Randy's gonna come out here in just a second, but this is our buddy Michael's car, and so Randy's coating it, did paint correction, ceramic coating. I'm not sure what's all getting ceramic coated, but this is not a stock ZR1, which is really cool. So 2019 ZR1, it's even got a 15-inch conversion on the rear. Our buddy likes to get down, he's pretty wild. It's on E85, I think it's got upper, lower. I don't know if it's cammed or not, it's got exhaust. We'll have to ask Randy, he might know. But it made like 1,000 of the wheel. Is it cammed or not?
What are you doing in my garage?
Oh, hello Randy. Awkward. Is it cammed or not? I can't remember.
Yeah.
Is it?
It's a fully built engine.
No, I thought it's stock engine.
I don't think so.
No, it's stock engine. I'm pretty sure it's got like bolt-ons, E85.
Oh yeah.
Randy's losing it. I can't remember if it's cammed or not. We'll figure that out. But okay, what are you doing? Just like basic paint correction, ceramic coating?
Yeah, so it's new. It's not in very bad condition at all. So basically just refining the paint, taking out any light scratches and swirls that are in it. There's some on the fenders because they did engine work, so with leaning over it and whatnot.
The dude literally bought it and took it right to the shop and said, I want 1,000 wheel horsepower.
I think it has 3,000 miles on it.
Oh my gosh.
But yeah, so we're basically just doing a very, very light paint correction.
Roof, the roof. Oh my goodness. Can you open the hood? Okay. So are you doing the wheels off or not wheels off? I see they're covered.
Not on this one.
Oh, okay. Randy is the ZR1 coder.
It has 1,955 miles.
Woo!
That makes 1,000 horsepower.
Good Lord.
You have to like be careful with these hoods, they're so light.
Oh my goodness. God, that's so sick. Oof.
Do I dare start it in my garage?
Sure, if we want to die. Give us a little cold start, Randy. I mean, we should probably do it now before it gets too late.
I don't know if that's... Oof. This thing is retarded loud.
Oof. Man, that thing is so sick.
Oh, yeah, check. Here, I'll take these off. The wheels are sick.
Yeah, so he's already got aftermarket wheels, but look at that. He's got 15-inch conversion on this thing already. This dude's wild. God, those look so good on there. He's got some actual bead locks for the back, too. Man, this thing is sick. Yeah, he don't play. Randy, give us a cold start.
Should I?
Forget your neighbors, man.
Ooh, no, I'm not worried about my neighbors. I'm worried about my eardrums.
Oh, well, that's okay, too.
Okay.
Oh, big old wang.
Your camera is not going to be able to pick this up. The audio is going to go crazy. Alright, you ready?
Ready. Yeah, that's ridiculous.
This is one of the loudest cars I have ever been around.
Jeez.
Like, I took a video of it the other day, and it doesn't do it justice. Like, feeling it in person, it's not hearing it. It's a whole
you stand back here and it's like, woof.
Oh, now my eyes burn.
Corn.
Let's go to air this up.
Yeah, we're gonna die for sure.
Oh,
gosh, thing is so sick. Your air hose is hooked to it also.
No, stay down.
Randy doesn't know how to open his garage.
No, it's because I freaking had this thing last year.
But yeah, so I'm pretty sure it's got upper, I don't know if, no, it's got a stock lower, it looks like.
Yeah, stock lower.
Yeah, so upper intake. I don't think it's cammed. It's definitely on the 85. I know he's got a direct injection upgraded pump, but this thing is nasty. I think it's been 920s, right?
I don't even know.
It's definitely an 8-second car. It was in crappy DA in Dallas in the heat of the summer.
Hey, you want to press that garage door so I can unlatch this?
Sure, Randy. Absolutely, Randy.
Thanks, David.
Top one or bottom one?
Top one. No, that's my lights. The one above it.
That's a garage door opener.
Yep.
That is not a garage door opener.
It's weird, alright? Don't judge. Again? Oh, now I messed it up.
Push down and unlock that. Randy broke the garage. Well, looks like you get to keep the ZR1. The only issue is you never get to drive it because it's stuck in here.
Pretty much, yeah.
That sucks.
Pretty much.
So Randy's doing some badass coating on it, and we looked over, and the freaking sunset is amazing. So we're gonna take advantage of that, and just his house is literally like 2 houses down. So we're just gonna pull it out in the street right here and get some hopefully good pictures up. But man, that sunset though. This thing is so ridiculous. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video on that ZR1. That thing is awesome. So hopefully maybe we can do like an actual review on it and go take it around town. But anyways, I got the actual list of what's done to it. So it's got a larger 112mm throttle body from Skog & Dickey, ported LT5 blower, pulleys and throttle body spacer, all from Kong Performance, 5-inch colder intake from Cordis Performance, ATI damper, 1050X injectors, high side and direct injectors, 4 Innovations triple pump system, and obviously the 15-inch conversion. So pretty badass car. It has been 920s and like I think it was like 3500 DA that day. So definitely on some nice cool day in Texas, maybe in the fall, that thing will go 8s, which is awesome for like honestly the minimal mods. Now those ZR1s are pretty expensive to mod just because the tuning is super expensive to unlock the PCM on those, but for like the amount of mods that it actually has, those things are unreal. Such a badass car. I haven't driven one myself, but like seeing what they're capable of and with such minimal mods, it's pretty awesome. I would definitely buy one that's just a little out of Dave's budget. You know, that's why I have a base model Mustang and a base model truck. So someday though, I'd really like to get a ZR1. I'd prefer a C7, but honestly, I'd take a C6 ZR1 any day as well. I just really like the ZR1s. That's kind of like definitely on the top of the top for dream cars would be a C7 ZR1. So maybe they'll drop in price eventually someday, and maybe I'll be able to afford one. But for now, I'll stick to my peasant base model Mustang and base model truck. It gets me by, it works. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Huge shout out to Randy for letting us come over and vlog about the ZR1. That thing was awesome. Literally blew my eardrums out. It was so loud. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that short video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little pictures I took of the car. But for now, let's get back to the Mustang. If you guys haven't already, you can go to Precision Transmission on YouTube. They've already uploaded their takedown video or their teardown video of my Toro 400. And you'll see my video on that coming in the next couple days. But they've got it torn down. They've got all the parts ordered, and I'll go over that in the next video. And then hopefully in a couple weeks, we'll get the transmission back and we can finally get back to racing. Although it's super hot, it's like 90 to 100 degrees on any given day right now in Texas, so it's really hot. Tracks are gonna get hot and greasy, which is totally fine. I'm using this time to upgrade the car, so we got upgraded transmission, and I got a few other things I'm gonna do to the car before we get back to racing, but hopefully in a few weeks we'll be back to racing. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.